KidsVision TV.
Everyone, today we are drawing fruits. Let's draw with me. First I am coloring orange color. Do you like fruits? Orange is very healthy for our health and it is very juicy. It's found all over the world and it's come in winter season. I like to eat orange very much.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Yellow color. Let's color its top and its leaf. Brown color and green color.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Let's color in apple. Apple is a sweet fruit. Apple is found everywhere. It has a small seed. Its color is green, red, yellow. Do you like to eat fruits? Let's color its leaf, green color. Let's color in mango. Mango is a national fruit of Pakistan and everyone likes Pakistani mangoes. And people like to drink a milkshake of mango. Our famous mango is Sindri and Chosa. It's a king of fruits. Let's color in stalk and its leaf. Color a chosa mango, green color. Mango comes in summer season. Do you like to mango? Pakistani export mango everywhere. Have you ever eaten a Pakistani mango? Let's color in stalk and its leaf, brown color and green color. Let's color in orange. I love orange juice.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Now it's time to color a green apple. A green apple is very healthy for our health. I am cutting its leaf.
Subscribe us for more videos.